This video tutorial helps you how to know GST registration number from VAT or CST TIN number. Your customer GST registration number is compulsory when GST return filing, GST invoice preparation and GST e-way bill generating. There is two steps to know GST registration number from TIN number. Step 1, know PAN number from TIN number. Step 2, know GST registration number from PAN number. Step 1, know PAN number from TIN number. Go to www.tinxzs.com. From right side click on Dealer or Form Search. Click on I agree button. If you know dealer TIN number, click on Search by TIN. Or, if you know dealer CST number, click on Search by CST number. Enter TIN number, then click on the Search button. Now you can see PAN number. Note down PAN number to ready Step 2. Go to www.gst.gov.in. Click on Search Taxpayer from top of GST website. Click on Search by PAN. Enter PAN card number and characters, then click on Search button. Now you can view your 11 digits GST registration number. Click on GST register number and enter characters to know more details.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel or visit our website www.accountsfortutorials.com.